And now let's jump to things that start to become more and more difficult. This is a payslip, okay? And let me pick here the ID of this one. And let's submit this. Okay, so now you have another data schema and another set of fields. And this is very important. Depending on the type of document that is activated on your subscription, you will have access to different fields, to different data schemas. Processing an ID card will be completely different from processing a payslip or an invoice. This data schema is defined when you are creating your own subscription, okay? So there's no need to training, there's no need to set up, but you need to define which fields you want to get out of the document, okay? And as you see here, once again, the datas are standardized, the amounts are decimals, which also is very good because you see here that there are different ways of representing numbers. And you see here that for some reason, there are empty fields. And you may say, okay, so this is an error? No, they simply are not present in the document. We are talking about employer tax ID. And as you see here, the invoice number does not contain that information. The payslip does not contain that information. So it's impossible to return a data schema or a field where is not present on the document. Okay, and that is the reason why it's empty. So it's empty not because it fails, but because it's not present on the document. Okay. Now let me show you something that is very strange. You see here, this is a payslip, but you cannot read it because it's very, very, very small. And for those cases, we return what we call a rejection. And you see here that this document was rejected and the document class is unknown. What this means in practice is that you submitted a document that could not be processed because it's unreadable, even for humans. Even for our human in the loop, they are not able to read this. So therefore, the document and the transaction was rejected.